Students, today topic is associative property under addition, multiplication and rectangular form of a complex numbers. First, recall the property. Addition, multiplication, rectangular form. First we have to take addition. Let Z1, Z2 and Z3 be three complex numbers. Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 is equal to Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3. This is addition. Addition under associative property. Okay. Here associative. Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 is equal to Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3. Multiplication. Second one, multiplication. Let Z1, Z2 and Z3 be three complex numbers. Then Z1 dot Z2 into Z3 is equal to Z1 dot Z2 dot Z3. Read as Z1 dot Z2. These two are complex number. Product gives a complex number. Multiply another complex number, we get a complex number. Right hand side, take last two complex numbers. Product of two complex numbers gives a complex number. Again multiply first complex number, we get a complex number. These two complex numbers are same, therefore multiplicative property is holds good. Okay. Next, EX number 2.3. Sum number 1. If Z1 is equal to 1 minus 3i, Z2 is equal to minus 4i, Z3 is equal to 5, so that number 1, associative property under addition, Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 is equal to Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3. Last two bracket. Next, subdivision number 2, associative property under multiplication, Z1 dot Z2 into Z3 is equal to Z1 dot Z2 dot Z3. Okay. First we have to take number 1 solution. Number 1, let Z1 is equal to 1 minus 3i, Z2 is equal to minus 4i, Z3 is equal to 5. 5 means 5 plus I into 0. This is a complex number system. Okay. Now LHS of 1. Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 is equal to Z1 is 1 minus 3i, plus minus 4i bracket plus z3 is 5 is equal to 1 plus into minus is minus, minus 7i plus 5 is equal to 6 minus 7i. RH is equal to Z1 plus Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3. Z1 is 1 minus 3i plus bracket Z2 is minus 4i plus 5 minus 4i plus 5 is equal to 1 minus 3i plus 5 minus 4i. This means 6 minus 7i. LHS is equal to RHS. So number one property is verified. Number one property is hence Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 is equal to Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3. Okay. Next, subdivision number 2. Z1 dot Z2 LHS equal to, okay, Z1 dot Z2 of Z3. Z1 is 1 minus 3i into Z2 is minus 4i into Z3 is 5 is equal to minus 4i minus of minus positive 12i square of 5 is equal to minus 4i minus I square is minus 1 into plus 1 is minus 12 of 5. This means minus 20i minus 60. This can be written as a plus ib of the form minus 60 plus I into minus 20. Okay. Now RHS. RHS equal to Z1 dot Z2 dot Z3. Z1 is 1 minus 3i into minus 4i dot 5 bracket is equal to 1 minus 3i minus 4i into 5 is minus 20 is equal to minus 20 minus 4i Z2 dot Z3. Z2 is minus 4i, Z3 is 5, so 20i. Now minus 20i minus of minus positive 60i square. 1 into minus 20i is minus 20i. Minus 3 into minus 20 is positive 60i square. This means minus 20i plus 60 into minus 1 is equal to minus 20i minus 60. This can be written as minus 60 plus I into minus 20. Now LHS result is equal to RHS. From equation number 1 and 2, from equation number 1 and 2, LHS equal to RHS. Hence, Z1 dot Z2 of Z3 is equal to Z1 dot Z2 dot Z3. Next question number 2. If Z1 is equal to 3, Z2 is equal to 7i, Z3 is equal to 5 plus 4i. Okay, so that Z1 into Z2 plus Z3 is equal to Z1 dot Z2 plus Z1 dot Z3. This is distributive law. Z1 multiplied by Z2 is Z1 dot Z2. Z1 multiplied by Z3. So Z1 dot Z3. Addition is an operation. Okay. Now solution. Let Z1 is equal to 3. Z2 is equal to 7i. Z3 is equal to 5 plus 4i. First LHS. Z1 dot Z2 plus Z3. Z1 is 3. 3 is a real number. This is of the form 3 plus I into 0. So 3 is a complex number form. Okay. Into Z2. Z2 is 7i plus 5 plus 4i. 5 plus 4i. Z2 is 7i. Z3 is 5 plus 4i. Is equal to 3 into 5 plus 5 is a real number. 7 plus 4i. 11i. Is equal to 15. 5 3s are 15. 3 11s are 33i. This can be written as A plus IB of the form 5. This is 11i. 5 plus 11i multiplying 15 33. Okay. Now 15 minus Z1 into sum is 3 7i 5 plus 4i. Okay. Z1 is 3. Next 7i plus 5 plus 4i. So 11i. 5 plus 11i 33 minus 3 into 5 plus 11i. 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. Next 33. 3 5s are 15. Here 33. So Z2 is minus 7i. Here given minus 7i. So negative 7i. Minus 7i. Z2 is minus 7i. So here negative. minus 7i. So minus 3i. Minus 7i plus 4i is minus 3i. 5 minus 3i. Now 15 minus 9i. 15 minus 9i. 15 minus 9i. This can be written as 15 plus I into minus 9. Next RHS equal to Z1 plus Z2. RHS equal to Z1 dot Z2 plus Z1 dot Z3 is equal to Z1 3 into minus 7i plus 3 into 5 minus 5 plus 4i is equal to 21i minus 21i plus 15 minus 12 minus no positive 12. 3 5s are 15 plus 12i is equal to 15. 21 minus 21 plus 12 is minus 9. Minus 9i is equal to 15. A plus I be other form. 15 plus minus 9 I into minus 9. Equation number 1 LHS. Equation number 2 RHS. From equation number 1 and 2, LHS equal to RHS. LHS Z1 dot LHS Z1 dot Z2 plus Z3 RHS Z1 dot Z2 plus Z1 dot Z3. Hence the result. Sum number 3. If Z1 is equal to 2 plus 5i, Z2 is equal to minus 3 minus 4i, and Z3 is equal to 1 plus I. Find the additive and multiplicative inverse. Find the additive and multiplicative inverse of Z1, Z2 and Z3. Now solution. Let Z1 is equal to 2 plus 5i. Additive inverse. Additive inverse of Z1 is minus Z1. This means minus of 2 plus 5i is equal to minus 2 minus 5i. This can be written as minus 2 plus I into minus 5. Next, let Z2 is equal to minus 3 minus 4i. Additive inverse of Z2 is equal to minus Z2 is equal to minus of minus 3 minus 4i, multiply minus 1, positive 3 plus positive 4i. This means 3 plus I into 4. Next, let z is equal to z3 is equal to 1 plus I. Additive inverse of z3. Additive inverse of z3 எவ்வளவு? minus z3 is equal to minus 1 plus I. This means minus 1 minus I. This can be written as minus 1 plus I into minus 1. Additive inverse of z1 is this. Additive inverse of z2. Additive inverse of z2. Now let second part of the result. Let z1 is equal to 2 plus 5i. Multiplicative inverse of z1 is equal to 1 by z1. This means 1 by 2 plus 5a. 2 plus 5a. Multiply numerator and denominator by 2 plus 5a into conjugate. Multiply numerator and denominator by denominator's conjugate 2 minus 5a divided by 2 minus 5a. 1 into 2 minus 5a is 2 minus 5a divided by a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square a. So 2 square minus 5 square I square is equal to 2 minus 5i divided by 4a. Minus of minus positive, I square is minus 1, 25 minus 25 minus 1. So plus 25, 4 plus 25. This means 2 minus 5i divided by 29. This means 2 divided by 5 bracket plus I into minus 5 divided by 29. This can be split into two parts. One is 2 divided by 29 minus 5 divided by 29 into I. So I into minus 5 by 29. This is multiplicative inverse of z2. Next, let z2 is equal to minus 3 minus 4i. Multiplicative inverse of z2. 1 by z2 is equal to 1 by z2 is minus 3 minus 4i into, it's a complex number. So multiply numerator denominator by denominator's conjugate of a complex number. 1 divided by minus 3 minus 4i into minus 3 positive 4i divided by minus 3 positive 4i. 1 into minus 3 plus 4i is minus 3 plus 4i divided by minus 3 whole square minus 4 square I square is equal to minus 3 plus 4i divided by 9. I square is minus 1. I square is minus 1. Multiply minus 1 by 16. So plus 16. We get minus 3 plus 4i. Minus 3 plus 4i divided by 3 square is 9 plus 16, so 25. This can be written as minus 3 divided by 25 plus I into 4 divided by 25. This is multiplicative inverse of Z2. Let Z3 is equal to, let Z3 is equal to 1 plus I. Multiplicative inverse of Z3 is equal to 1 by Z3 is equal to 1 by 1 plus I. This can be written as 1 by 1 plus I. Denominator is a complex number. So multiply numerator and denominator by conjugate of a complex number 1 minus I. 1 minus I. This means 1 minus I divided by 1 square minus I square. This means 1 minus I divided by 1 plus 1. Why? I square is minus 1. Minus 1 into minus is positive 1. Positive 1 plus positive 1 is positive 2. Therefore, 1 minus I divided by 2. 1 minus I by 1 minus I divided by 2. Now, this can be written as 1 by 2 plus I into again 1 by 2. This is minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus I into minus 1 by 2. This is a multiplicative inverse of Z3. Okay, next rectangular form. Next rectangular form. Rectangular form means it is a complex number form. If A and B are real numbers, rectangular form of a complex number is, then the rectangular form of a complex number is A plus IB. So the original complex number, take two real numbers A and B. A plus IB is a complex number form. Complex number form is a rectangular form. Okay. Now EX number 2.4. Sum number 1. Write the following. Write the following in the rectangular form. Rectangular form. Subdivision number 1, 5 plus 9i plus 2 minus 4i. 5 plus 9i minus positive 2 plus 2 minus 4i. Let 5 plus 9i plus 2 minus 4i is equal to 5 plus 9i plus 2 minus 4i conjugate. 5 plus 9i, 2 minus 4i. This means conjugate of a complex number. First, adding real numbers. 5 plus 2 is 7 plus 9i minus 4i. This means 5 plus 2 is 7. 9i minus 4i is 5i. Conjugate. Conjugate means a plus, if a plus ib is a complex number, a minus ib is a conjugate of a complex number. Therefore 7 minus 5i. 7 minus 5i is rectangular form. Rectangular form of 5 plus 9i plus 2 minus 4i is 7 minus 5i or 7 plus I into minus 5. Next, solution number 3. 3i bar. Bar means a conjugate of 3i plus 1 by 2 minus I. Now let 3i bar. Bar means conjugate of 3i plus 1 by 2 minus I. This means minus 3i is equal to minus 3i plus 1 by 2 minus I. 3i bar is equal to 0 plus 3i bar. This means 0 minus 3i, conjugate of a complex number. Okay, so minus 3. Now minus 3i plus 1 by, denominator is a complex number, therefore multiply numerator and denominator by the conjugate of a complex number. So 2 minus I into 2 plus I divided by 2 plus I. Multiply numerator and denominator by denominator's conjugate. Conjugate of 2 minus I is 2 plus I. Okay, this means minus 3i plus 2 plus I, 2 plus I divided by 2 square minus I square. A plus b into a minus b of the form a square minus b square, I square is minus 1. Therefore minus 3i plus 2 plus I divided by 5. 2 square is 4, minus 1 into minus is positive 1. Positive 1 plus 4 is 5. Okay, now take LCM. 5 3s are 15. Minus 15i plus 2 plus I plus 2 plus I divided by 5. This means minus 15i minus 15 plus I. So minus 15i plus I plus 2 divided by 5. This means minus 15i plus I is minus 14i plus 2 divided by 5. This means 2 plus I into minus 14 divided by 5. This can be written as 2 divided by 5 plus I into minus 14 divided by 5. This is rectangular form. Rectangular form of 3i bar. Bar means conjugate. Conjugate of 3i plus 1 by 2 minus I is 2 by 5 plus I into minus 14 by 5. Next, question number 2. If z is equal to x plus iy, find the rectangular form. Find the rectangular form of number 1, real part of 1 by z. Solution. First, let z is equal to x plus iy. 1 by z is 1 by z is equal to 1 by x plus iy. Denominator is a complex number. So multiply numerator and denominator by conjugate of a complex number, x plus iy into x minus iy divided by x minus iy. 1 into x minus iy is x minus iy divided by a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square model, x square minus I square y square. This means x minus iy divided by x square plus y square. Y I square is minus 1. Minus 1 into minus is positive 1. 1 in positive 1 into y square is positive y square, x square plus y square. Okay, this can be written as x divided by x square plus y square plus I into minus y divided by x square plus y square. This is real part. This is imaginary part. The question is real part of 1 by z. Here left hand side 1 by z. Real part of 1 by z is equal to 1 by, this is real part, this is imaginary part. Totally a plus ib are the form. Real part is x divided by x square plus y square. Question is find the rectangular form of real part of 1 by z. Real part of 1 by z is this. Hence, real part of RP means real part, RE means real part of 1 by z is equal to x divided by x square plus y square. Now, homework. Today homework. EX number 2.3, sum number 2, subdivision number 2 and 3. EX number 2.4, sum number 1, subdivision number 2, sum number 2, subdivision number 2 and 3. Any doubt? Reply the message. Thank you, children.